Could an exchange-traded fund, ETF, dedicated to Shiba Inu be in the works soon? This video is a must-watch for everyone with a Shiba Inu interest or SHIB tokens. What then has recently transpired with Shiba Inu Coin? Any updates on the Shib ETF? Is the value of Shiba Inu going to be affected by all of this? In today's video, I'll address these concerns and fill you in on all the recent news that has increased the value of Shiba Inu. Please watch the whole video from beginning to finish so that you do not miss any of the material that I have gathered. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. But first, let's check out the chart to see how the Shiba price is doing on April 29th, before we get into our issue, shall we? Approximately 1,364 Shiba Inu units are being sold today. A 24-hour trading volume of $200 million has resulted in a 2% increase in the price of Shiba. With a market worth of nearly $8 billion, the token is now the 18th highest valued cryptocurrency. Remember that all rates are subject to change at the time of video release. This content is not financial advice. What follows is today's video. Desires for Shiba Inu ETFs. The need for massive investing of multiple billion dollars Shiba Inu is presenting a strong argument to move away from the stigma of being a meme coin and into the limelight of institutional finance in the rapidly developing cryptocurrency industry. With more than 110 listings on exchanges and 212 trading pairs, Shiba Inu is the 18th biggest cryptocurrency by market capitalization as of April 2025. Still, an exchange-traded fund located in the United States is still elusive, despite its extensive presence and a community that is strongly committed. Shiba Inu ETFs are no longer considered a theoretical long shot, thanks to insiders like Lucy, the company's chief marketing strategist, and a recent legislative change from the SEC. The case of Lucy, ease of access, and resistance. Lucy sent a strong message to her ex-boyfriend in late March 2025. I am ready to put my Shiba Inu into an ETF. She went on to say that it is listed on every major platform and more than 110 exchanges with 212 trade pairings. It's simple to trade and straightforward to obtain. Would a Shiba Inu be a suitable ETF? Yes, the widespread use and high liquidity of Shiba Inu are the linchpins of her case, as they are for any asset vying for ETF classification. Trading volume and exchange presence for Shiba Inu are on par with those of more established players, and its market valuation puts it in the top 20 cryptocurrencies. But Lucy doesn't stop there. She tackles manipulation, a major worry for institutional investors. She makes the claim that, like Bitcoin, you would need $1 billion to control Shiba Inu, unlike more volatile lesser-cap tokens. Regulators and managers of assets may find solace in the fact that Shiba Inu are very small, which acts as a safeguard against pump and dump scams. When you consider that Shiba Inu is community-driven rather than government-run, and that it has a decentralized structure, it becomes clear that it is more of an ecosystem than a meme. Trading statistics are only one aspect of Shiba Inu's growth. The ecosystem showcases genuine value with features like SHIBASWAP, a decentralized exchange, and Shibarium, a Layer 2 blockchain. Particularly noteworthy are the achievements of Shibarium, which will have supported 55 million wallets and processed over 1 billion deals by April 2025. These claims are not empty. Shiba Inu's ability as a long-term participant is highlighted by Shibarium's expansion, which is evident in its infrastructure, which includes DeFi apps and gaming integrations. Several teams are naturally constructing around it, as Lucy points out. The boomer element, which connects generations, is its durability. An interesting assertion made by Lucy is that Shiba Inu are popular among baby boomers. She contends that older investors may be enticed by cryptocurrency due to its cheap entry price, accessibility, and growing importance in decentralized finance and payments, despite their usual aversion to volatility. Although some may find this puzzling, there is some reasoning to it. With Shiba Inu listed on major markets, purchasing is a breeze, and the community-driven philosophy of the breed is in line with the current trend towards decentralized systems. Inflows, community momentum, and the Shiba Sense drive might reach major levels if boomers, a group with vast investment capital, perceive Shiba Inu as a low-risk way to enter the cryptocurrency market. People who care about Shiba Inu aren't sitting on their hands. An outspoken member of the Shiba Inu community named Shiba Zen proposed an exchange-traded fund, ETF, for the breed in January 2025, taking aim at industry heavyweights like Grayscale and BlackRock. Their 10 points emphasized the worldwide spread of Shiba Inu, who have more than 1.3 million owners, liquidity, and the operational performance of Shibarium. They promoted Shiba Inu as an ethical investment by mentioning its low price and ESG-friendly initiatives run by the Shib Dharma Foundation. There was a lot of enthusiasm for the article, and some are predicting that Shiba Inu and its ecosystem coins, Bone and Leash, will go rise in value because of the ETF potential. The time for a regulatory boost is perfect. The majority of meme currencies, including Shiba Inu, are not securities, according to a clarification issued by the SEC on February 27, 2025. A key barrier for an ETF has been lifted by this decision, which is part of a larger effort for crypto clarity. Easy approvals and more investor access might be on the horizon now that the SEC has opened the way by categorizing Shiba Inu as a collectible based on consumer demand rather than a securities linked to a central issuer. Shiba Inu are more attractive to asset managers since this lessens their exposure to legal risk. Next steps, possibilities, and obstacles. Despite high hopes, no Shiba Inu exchange-traded fund, ETF, proposal has made it to the United States as of April 2025. Even meme currencies with strong ecosystems encounter doubt from more established financial institutions because of the market's complexity. But everything is falling into place. Financial stability, decentralization, backing from the community, and a positive change in regulations. The billionth transaction on Shibarium demonstrates how strong Shiba Inu is operationally. It isn't a niche player either, thanks to its 110-plus exchange listings. Seismic effects may result from an ETF's actualization. With Shiba Inu's size and velocity, multi-billion-dollar inflows are certainly within sight, potentially attracting both baby boomers and institutional investors. Asset managers such as BlackRock or Grayscale might reach out to its 1.5 million strong holding base and beyond. The concern isn't only whether Shiba Inu are prepared, it's whether the banking sector is as well. Shiba Inu's capacity to bounce back and adapt is shown by its path from meme currency to ETF candidate. Lucy's first-hand knowledge, along with the cryptocurrency's robust ecosystem and a landmark decision from the SEC, suggests that it is ready to take the next step. Shiba Inu ETFs are more compelling than ever, despite the fact that there are still obstacles. This unusual challenger is the center of attention as April 2025 approaches, proving that anybody may aspire for the top in the crypto world. Remember that all rates are subject to change at the time of video release. This content is not financial advice. A large number of our subscribers have expressed their unwavering belief in the Shiba Inu creators and the practical worth of Shib, stating that they will not be selling millions of them for the next 5 years. Tell me how many are in your possession. Please disclose all of your Shib holdings in the space provided below. It's great that the Shib holder has faith in what's happening. Give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu coin in the comments if you're enjoying it. In addition, if you would want to get alerts whenever we upload a new video, you should enable post notifications.